What's going on, my friends? Vitai Dubin is here, and welcome back to another episode of Today's in Crypto Show. The altcoins continue to pump today. Bitcoin is around $30,700, and we are seeing some bullish momentum. The market is in a greedy mood over 60, so let's see what is shaking up today. Of course, we're not without some really crazy FUD that is always in the market. So you can see that Pepe is up today 16%. Absolutely phenomenal. This green frog is jumping, has seen some moves. $30,600 the price of Bitcoin. You can see overall we have the graph. The graph is absolutely pumping today. 23%. Seller is pumping. Compound is pumping, Filecoin, Pepe. We see double digits all across the crypto space. Overall, a green day for the majority of the coins today, leading up with BitTorrent and the graph, Filecoin, and Pepe up 16%. And we are seeing that Bitcoin sees a significant upward trend in accumulation. So all of these hedge funds, investment firms, institutional investors, private funds are increasingly accumulating Bitcoin. That's what we are seeing, and it's only a matter of time. The more frequently a resistance line is tested, the weaker it becomes. The day will come when all $31,000 sell orders have been filled. This is where we are right now comparing to 2016, and we are right exactly the same moment. Look at how many touch points there was, around $470 back then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, couple of touch points. Here we are once again $31,000 level, very important level of consolidation here, that Bitcoin is consolidating, and we're gonna touch it a couple times, and then the day will come sooner or later it's gonna break $31,000 and going to go much higher. So I hope you're ready and excited about this day coming on. So what has transpired in the last 24 hours? Well, there is a fake rumors by the cryptoalert.com site, which was set up like a couple of weeks ago. SEC sources confirmed Gary Gensler resignation out of the SEC Security Exchange Commission, and they went on to this article, and then that was like so much people in crypto hate Gary Gensler and want him to resign, so it spread all over the news. Everybody started making videos about it, like, hey, Gary Gensler resigning, and it's all over Twitter. Whale alert set up with more than 1 million followers. But guess what? This is all bullshit, because US SEC ends rumors confirming Gary Gensler is not resigning. It was basically generated by artificial intelligence. So that's what we are seeing. This article was written mostly by AI. It's not even true. So it's just a rumor, and they're confirmed that, yeah, he's not resigned. Otherwise, the market would have pumped way in a bigger way. Look at this. The number of addresses, wallets holding more than one Bitcoin is approaching 1 million. Actually, it's more than 1 million, because it's an article written like 3 days ago, and right now, if you look at the stats, it's over 1 million holders. So that's pretty cool. And looking at July, Bitcoin price never lost more than 10% in July. Will 2023 be different? Not likely. If you see historically, the month of July has been performing very well. Look at the coinglass.com today. You can see the month of July has been mostly green and never lost more than 10%. And we're starting the next quarter, which is most likely will be like, it can be like 2016, I would say, quarter, 20 or 2015, maybe minus 10%. Will be some negative months maybe in September that will offset that. But overall, how well we have done, let's say, 8 years ago, it was 2015, right? 2015, we have seen the months of July 8%, months of August 18%, negative months, and September positive, and October very bullish. So maybe we'll repeat 2015, up this month of July and then down heavy in August rejection. Very likely, because we are repeating the 2015 scenario right now. Okay, and the SEC pushing investors into toxic crypto products and FTX according to Winkler laws. They're like denying those Bitcoin ETFs and saying they're not inadequate, but against BlackRock, there's so many lists of these Bitcoin spot ETFs that are coming that it's undeniable we're gonna get them approved. Looking at the short term for Bitcoin, we're seeing some resistance here for sure at the $31,000. We are climbing, but very moderately with low volume. So any day we can see a drop in the price of Bitcoin. Any day, like going much lower. We'll see. So far, we maintain slight bullish momentum, but not too bullish at the moment. In the short term, for the daily, you can see that we are losing some momentum here, and you can see this the stochastic RSI is going down. So that means that we're losing some momentum on a daily, and we might retest some lower levels. We'll see, but it will be short term. This is like really short term. If you're worried about this, if you're gonna go down, it will be time to buy more altcoins, build up your portfolio, and don't look back. Just sell it a year and a half after, and don't touch it. If the market is falling, then buy some more, because you can see we are in this first phase of the bull. It's not gonna be without its all crashes like we've seen in the previous bull cycles. We're gonna see 20-30%, maybe even 40% crashes along the journey of getting above possibly $100,000 for the price of Bitcoin. But eventually this is the target for this bull cycle. And what will happen with the altcoins when Bitcoin reaching this target? You can imagine that. It's gonna be massive, and this is how it's gonna look like when you zoom out and look at a much more distant future. So that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, and you have a great mood, and you're ready to tackle the crypto world. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.